Sex on a plate. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do another makeup tutorial, and I've been doing loads recently, but webs. I kind of feel like I'm too high to catch up. All I've done is done some foundation and some eyeliner, and that's probably all I'm going to wear, to be honest. Let me just have a double check. Yeah, that'll do. I'm only going to go to the pubs there. You know, kind of like a light yet fierce glam. It's still bold and eye-catching, but I don't like wasting too much product like concealer and foundation. Like, full foundation's enough. And you know, you get like colour correctors and stuff. Like, I don't have any of those. But yeah, I'll just make do with what I've got. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. So today's look, I'm gonna do a pink and purple mashup because why not? So I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics palettes as always. Guys, probably like so bored of them right now, but it's literally like the most pigmented, amazing colours. So yeah, so my 42 shadow palette, I'm going to go in with this purple first, this one over here, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make like, I'm not sure I'm going to make a wing with it, but basically you're going to go around the outer eye, and yeah, and make a cut crease with it, so I'm going to go do that now. Look how pigmented they are. Oh! So I took some notes off one of my, I'm not even sure if she's a subscriber, but yeah, just casually zoom in and out. But she was saying how it's quite difficult with the mirror in my face. So that's what I'm doing. To be fair, I don't think she actually watched the full video properly anyway, because you will see. I don't always have the mirror like up in my face. I do usually have it like this, so you can kind of see. But anyway, regardless, I think it's actually a fair comment, and I'm going to make a bit more of an effort because I can zoom in and out. I just literally don't think back. So when I start applying eyeshadows and any eye products now, I'll literally be zooming in so you guys can see it a bit better. Wink wink. So yeah, so that's that. So we're going to move on now. So I'm going to get a clean brush from somewhere, I do not know. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go around the purple and blend it out. If that makes any sense, I will show you. So I'm just going to go and blend it out like this. Up towards the eyebrow. So that's that. So that's literally the purple done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back in with this palette. And oh, I don't know if I should use the darker shade. No, done that one before. That goes very wrong. So I'm literally just going to get an entirely new brush. So I'm going to go in with this dark pink. Oh, hello, if you can see it. This dark pink here. And this is going to act like a transition shade. Well, actually, technically, I'm going to use two transition shades, but you see what I mean. So yeah, I'm just going to go in under the purple, around the eye, and blend. Right, so that's that. So I'm literally going to leave it just like that. If you can see a bit better. So yeah, so I've just done that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in with some foundation and make a really crazy cut crease. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to go do that. I'm going to get a brush and then put some foundation on. So now, as you can see, it's gone over the eyeliner a little bit, but it's fine, I'll touch that after. So I'm just going to go on and do it to the other eye now. Right, so there we are. It is all done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dip back into the BH Cosmetics palette. So yeah, so I'm going to go in with the lighter pink shade, oh, if you can see it, which is this one here. I'm only going to put a little bit on that, just on the edge, which I will show you. Ooh. Get some of the colour from my hands. Zoom out, thank you. So yeah, I'm going to go in with my metallics now. 28 colour eyeshadow palette for your eyes. Oh yes. And I'm going to go in with this light pink right here. Yeah, I'm literally just going to do the rest of the eye of that. So that's what's going on at the moment. I actually quite like it. It's turned out very cute at the moment. Ooh, ooh. what I'm going to do now is I probably will put highlighter there. I feel like it kind of needs it. But I'm going to go under the eye with the dark purple. Just brush it right under. So I'm going to do that quickly. I think I'll just use the dark purple, I don't think I need the pink. So I'm going to go and do that and see how that turns out. I hope you guys can see me better. Let me know. I was just going to go in the inner corner a little bit and drag it out. Right, there we go. Sexual on here. So let's bring you guys back out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do some contour and highlighter. I was going to put the contour on now. It's from Revolution, it's called Duo, if it focuses. So I'm going to go and do that. Well, it's just on the contour. If it focuses. Focus on me. Alright, so I've done that. So what I'm going to do next is the highlighter. Right, so I need to put lipstick on now, and I'm going to get in my Revolution Private Members Club lipstick, which I'll wear a lot because it's one of my favourites. I know. So yeah, I'm going to go and put it on now. Right, so I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's lip gloss. We've probably got like one coat left. Ooh, nice and sticky. Make a dip, make a dip, make a dip, make a dip. So I'm going to put a highlighter on my face. Even more you ask, I know. But just a little bit on my nose, I forgot to do that, so. Right, so I now look stunning. I look ready for a night out to go and have some fun. Oh yeah. I say now, I'm only going to chill in a pub, but obviously I have to be extra, so. Yeah, this is my chill for pub for 3 hours look. Maybe ride some dick later. So yeah, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more. Hit the bell notification to be notified when next pop up on the screen to a new video. Oh yes. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys. Mwah.